Shoo! Hear that? That's the sound of corn popping off the cob. This isn't just any veggie, it's sweet corn, and it's the golden child of summer. Boil it. Grill it. Roast it. Slather it in butter, lime, chile, or just eat it fresh off the stalk. It slaps every time. Crispy, juicy, and naturally sweet, this veggie doesn't need dressing up to shine. But dress it up anyway, and thank us later. Packed with fiber, B vitamins, and that warm, sun-grown energy, it's comfort food in its purest form. From street food in Mexico to backyard BBQs across the US, sweet corn is the real star of summer. Next up? A veggie so juicy and red, it'll have your salad glowing. Stick around, the summer plate's just getting started.